trucks.
Oh, whoa.
What's your round count?
200. Go.
You are not to fire to your right. We have friendlies in that pink building.
We're set it off, go. No. 2-3 rounds.
Shouldn't have any, on
We
the
have
village
no front by the church?
No.
There's
There
still,
shouldn't be anybody in the village.
Still fucking further.
Oh, yeah, there.
Alright, 1104 enemy spotted.
Agent.
Last fire's assets be fired in vicinity of phase line orange in line with the church to destroy enemies in that tree line. How copy?
Eagle 6, this is 1-7. 3-6, Eagle 6, acknowledge all, break. 1-7, send your traffic. Enemy personnel are retrograding out of box, sir. I believe they are about to mass.
Hey, you gotta preserve ammo. They have a long fucking good.
Okay, it's gonna be like last time.
So you can't get through this unless you guys through the entrance and go all the way through.
Okay, all good. We'll figure it out.
That's good.
You guys land
Land
as
real-
we push up to this
land real
next
quick.
support by fire. You get that drone back up in the air, okay?
Roger that, sir.
Alright.
I'm
You got
gonna
it.
fly it.
Hey, this is mine.
Don't crash it.
UGD up. Keep looking for any entrance of the bunker. Keep.
If the sniper's in there,
Figured it off my head. Snipers in there. Tell me it's clear. Yes.
3631, we have entered the front door. Rolling T. In a rolling T.
And Captain Pernut wants you to fly.
Break. We'll radio up if we decide to mount. How copy?
You ready, sir? Throw it up, sir.
Throw it up.
Yep.
Get your dudes moving. In 1-0, Mike.
My name is Staff Sergeant Nunez. I'm with Eagle Troops, 2nd Squadron, 2nd Cavalry Regiment. I am an infantryman, and what we're out here doing is we are implementing new counter-UAS systems into infantry tactics in order so that we are able to be in any fight, in any front, against any enemy. Right now, we are implementing them at a troop level, company level, and the squadron level. We are just seeing how they work. We're using them for reconnaissance, we're using them for strike, and also we have jammers and detectors for any drone systems, class 1 through 4, and we are utilizing them to best be able to maneuver on the enemy, close with and destroy, as is our job.
Alright, hey, so the reason why we're out here, right, is to one, assess drones, right, to get an understanding of time and to get a good understanding of how to use equipment that's being provided to us. But as far as this mission right here, right, they're pushing through an ODA, and the main thing of this is to clear a trench and to wait for follow-on mission.
Why are the drones a threat?
Drones are a threat because that's just the new battle space here, right? It's an unmanned thing that can hurt other people, and so we have to figure out how to, one, use the equipment, and two, how to best fight that from the ground.
Would you say your full first and last name for me?
Yes, I am Sergeant Michael Brian Kaiser Jr.
What is your unit?
Unit is Fox Troop 2CR.
And your MOS?
MOS 11 Bravo.
Sick.